Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's home. It's another day of getting all the things done that I must get done. And so we're going to start off with doing some laundry this morning. And I am using the new Clorox fragrant crystals. And I have to say I have recently washed my bedding using those. And I can actually smell my sheets when I come into the room. They smell wonderful, and it's nothing like a good smelling sheets at night when you go to bed, and I love that. So this is the first thing this morning, so while I was drinking coffee, the laundry got done, and now I'm loading it into the dryer. It was a perfect day to mow the lawn, and as you can see here, I'm taking a drink break, and the last thing I do after I mow the grass is take my broom out there and sweep off the walkway, and just so that the walkway is nice and tidy. You all have asked me about my battery-powered lawnmower. I'm going to tell you that I really love it. It's easy to charge. It charges quickly, and I've had it all summer, and it cuts my grass lovely. So I get my lawn work done and I reward myself with a sugar-free popsicle, which might seem silly, but these are delicious. And now I am going to scrub my windows. Recently, I have acquired a squeegee. These are just like the ones that you use at the gas station. Who knew that these things would be awesome to clean your windows with? But my windows have never been this clean. And my mother actually gave me the idea and put this in motion for me. And so, Mom, if you're watching, thank you, because it was a huge help and I absolutely love the outcome. So yes, I am on a ladder outside cleaning second story windows, and it works wonders and makes a huge difference on the house having clean windows. And yeah, it just looks really good. Now, if you are wondering what is in my bucket, I just filled my bucket with hot water and I added a cup of white vinegar and about 3 tablespoons of Dawn liquid, dish soap, and it did a fabulous job. Now it is time to make the dinner. And earlier this morning, I baked 2 whole chickens in my oven. And so now I'm going to make cream of chicken and biscuits. So I'm starting out with a container of chicken broth, a bag of frozen vegetables, a large can of cream of chicken soup. I also add in a little garlic, a little rosemary, salt and pepper. Probably not so much salt because the soup is pretty salty. I add in a stick of butter, and once all that is good and combined, I then add in all of my chicken, and I just bake some canned biscuits up in the oven, and it is delicious. There was no leftovers, and my father-in-law was very, very pleased because he loves this, and I don't know anybody who doesn't love this. And I also add in a splash of milk at the end to make it good and creamy. There is my plate all ready to eat. It was fantastic. Now, once you make dinner, you have dishes. So I washed up all my dishes and now I am drying them and getting them put away. We did not have plans for Labor Day, so I quickly put together a salad. So I rummaged together everything I had. I had macaroni, bacon, a bell pepper, some boiled eggs, some bacon, and I had a can of black olives, some celery, some broccoli, and I'm just going to put it together and make it work. So my secret ingredient in my macaroni salad is paprika. It comes together really, really pretty. I'm garnish it with the cheese and the leftover bacon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're motivated. Thanks for watching.